tell you clothes we wear in the different season. It's my project. Summer clothes, cotton clothes are cap, shirt, flip-flop, shorts, soft frock. In summer season, we wear cotton clothes. A cotton frock, a cotton dress, a western short. In the winter clothes, we wear woolen clothes in the winter season. This is a winter cap. We can wear it. Gloves, a pant, and socks, and go. Sweater and muffler. In the rainy clothes, raincoat, umbrella, and gumboots. It's rain only. Now I have done. Now it's time to end up the session. You have to see my drawing, right? Can you see my drawing? See my drawing. Now, did you see? In the summer season, we wear cotton clothes. In the winter season, we wear woolen clothes. In the rainy season, we wear raincoat, gumboots, and umbrella. Now, it's time to say bye. Stay home, stay safe, stay still. Don't go outside. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. Like, share, and subscribe. And click the bell